Bro, what's that card, bro?
It's ace of spade.
A clubs it is. Okay, ace of clubs.
Club. भाई हम
Alright.
पत्ते नहीं खेलता.
No worries. Definitely. So ace of clubs I have put on the table, bro. Let's see the next card I have. Which one, bro? Ace of spade. This is ace of spade, okay?
Ace of spade.
Alright, so see, I'll take this ace of spade and I'll put beneath ace of clubs. Now tell me which card is on the top.
Ace of club.
Let's see. Exactly, right? So that is what I'm gonna do. One card I'll put beneath other one and you have to tell me which is on the top, which is at the bottom, right? This time clubs I'll put beneath spade. Now tell me which is on the top and which is at the bottom.
दूसरा वाला. Ace of spade is at the top.
And the bottom one? Clubs.
Club.
Sure?
Sure.
Boom! Hey, man!
Oh. No way, bro.
Oh yeah, there is a way. Trust me, there is a way. Trust me. I'm not gonna touch this deck now. Okay? Now, bro, imagine that. I have an imaginary deck of cards in my hand, okay? If I'm asking you, let's say in this deck we have two color of cards like red and black, yeah? So if I'm asking you that one of the card you want me to dump out, which one would that be? Red or black? Go ahead.
Red.
Sure?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm taking out red, throwing the black away. I'm having red. Now, in red, we have two suits, right? Diamond and heart. Okay. So, the guy in the middle, who is the guitarist and singer, yeah, bro, I want you to switch heart and diamond in your mind, back and forth, heart, diamond, in your mind. Okay, and your friend who is sitting on the right side. Yep, exactly, bro. You have to the yellow t-shirt, yeah, bro. You will have to stop him at any random place whenever you want. So when you will say stop, bro, you will have to think about hard diamond continuously, yeah. So when he will say stop, you will stop on one suit. Have that suit in your mind, okay? Don't tell me. I will ask you, then tell me, okay?
Okay.
All right, bro. It's up to you, both of you. It's your call now.
Stop.
All right, wait here now. Okay, you have one suit in your mind right now, yeah? Now wait here. Okay, see, I have no idea what is that, right? Fine.
Diamond.
Exactly. Okay, let's go with diamond then. Bro, who is sitting on the left side, right? See, in diamond, right? So, see, in the diamond, we have 13 cards. Okay?
Yeah.
So, in 13 cards, we have 3 picture cards. J, Q, K. And 10 number cards. Make sense?
Yeah.
So in my one hand, imagine I'm having all the picture cards. In the other hand, I'm having all the number cards. Okay. Imagine in one hand, I'm giving you all the picture and in one hand, I'm giving you all the number cards. Now, if I'm asking you, one of these you have to give me back. Which one will you give me back, bro? Number or picture? Your call, totally up to you.
The number.
Are you sure? 101% sure you want to give me number?
Yeah, sure.
And you don't want to change your decision?
No.
Alright, I'm taking the number, throwing it away. What you're left with?
Picture.
Alright, so just spread your hand like that. And you have JQK. Now, bro, help me to further narrow that down. Yeah. Now, bro, in the middle, bro. Say any. Name one. JQK. Name one, bro.
K.
100%. You want to change your decision? Last time I'm asking you. I guess you don't, right?
K.
You don't get you. Okay, cool then. So, bro, see, we settled down to one card, right?
Yeah.
We started with the imaginary deck of 52 cards and now we are settled down to just one random card. You all three created that. How crazy that is, right? You three created a one single card. And what is that card, by the way?
King.
King of
Diamond.
Absolutely.
Red.
King of Diamond, yeah. Bro, did I even touch that deck? No, right?
No.
But I don't know, but somehow I knew which card you three will gonna create because there is one card flipped over in this entire deck and that card is nothing but King of Diamond. That is the only card which is flipped over. Bro, listen to me. Again, this is the only card in this blue deck which is a red color card.
How can you do this, man?
And now, bro, it's time for your bro. Stage is yours, bro. Come on.
Let's go, bhai.
Chalo, bhai.
Let's go, bhai.
Like
my hidden talent is that I can sing without doing any lip movement actually.
अच्छा ठीक है sing.
Yeah.
Okay then. Show me then. I want to see that. I want to
Let's go do it, guys. Yeah.
make sure
You're not
YouTube ads are not getting played by mistakenly.
Oh.
Yeah. We do have premium.
Yeah, oh my god, rich people. Yeah, I got you.
Let's go. कोई भी random चला दो. Sorry भाई ad आ गया.
Oh my god.
कैसा लगा ये?
Amazing bro. I mean, literally मतलब मैं क्या बोलूं यार, वो कौन सा सिंगर है वो? अरिजीत सिंह फेल है ब्रो. अरिजीत सिंह क्या कर रहा है ब्रो? क्या कर रहे हो ब्रो? मतलब गिटार लेके लड़कियों को इम्प्रेस करने बैठे हो, हाँ कुल मिला के.
नहीं ऐसी
आप तो गूगल से हो, आपको तो सब कुछ पता. आप हमारी बातें सुन रहे हो क्या? Bro, आप बहुत गंदी चीज हो भाई. इसी वाला मतलब निकाल लो यहाँ से, जेब से निकाल लो कुछ ऐसा.
ऐसा
वो तो प्री प्लान होता है थोड़ा.
नहीं, इतना प्लान तो नहीं होता है. अब तुमने चैलेंज दिया है तो एक्सेप्ट कर सकता हूँ मैं.
तो भाई गूगल वाले भाई.
चलो भाई.
हटाने दो मेरा कला.
नहीं ब्रो, वो लब पकड़ो ना ब्रो, अच्छा लगता है. गिटार रहने का ब्रो. हाँ ऐसे मस्त है. ठीक है ब्रो, डू लेट्स गेट सीरियस नाउ. ठीक है, दिस इज नॉट जोक, इट इज लाइक I'll give my best shot. I don't know, let's see if it will work out or not. If it will not, I'm telling you sorry in advance. Okay bro, if I'm asking you to take out some card, it's your wish. You can either take out 1/4, somewhere in the half, 1/3. Your call. Go ahead. So take few
Half.
cards. All right, let's go with half then. So bro, see, you had all these options. It was a free choice. You could have asked me to cut in 1/3. If you could have cut on 9 of spades, 7 of spades, 5 of heart, ace of clubs, whatever it is, right? But you exactly asked me to cut on this card, these cards basically. Now see, you have all these options, right? I'll move my hand slowly. You just stop me on any random card. It's your call. Go ahead.
Stop.
This one?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry, my bad. This one or that one? I'm sorry.
That one. Yeah, this one.
All right. Sorry. Yeah. So let me take this card, bro. See, this is the card, random card. You stop me and see. Let me show you. All the cards are different, and bro, you had a completely free choice to pick any of these cards, right? You could have asked me to pick Jack of Hearts, 7 of Diamonds, King of Clubs, whatever, right? But you exactly asked me to stop this random card. Let's see what the hell is this card is. What is that card, bro?
Diamond of
Seven of heart, right? All right. See, I'll take the 7 of heart. So this card, I'll put it here. Make sure you can see that. And I'm telling you, bro, you had all these options, right? But you exactly stopped me on which card? 7 of heart.
7 of hearts.
I'll snap my finger. Boom! Your card has converted into 3 of diamond. It's got vanished. Okay. It just got disappeared, bro, in front of your own eyes. Yeah. Go a little slower. Just let me know if you see any 7 of heart here. There is no 7 of heart, bro. It literally got vanished. Is there any 7 of? Did you see any 7 of heart?
Damn, bro.
There is no 7 of heart. Trust me. It just got vanished, bro. You know, no 7 of heart. Okay, now bro, see, it got vanished, you know. So what is magic, bro? Magic is something doing which is impossible, right? That is magic. You tell me from where you want me to produce that card. It's your call, totally your wish. From where you want me to produce that?
From your wallet.
Dude, bro, अभी इतना भी नहीं ब्रो, ठीक है ना? ये मतलब कुछ भी नहीं होता है, ठीक है? Bro, are you serious? One second, bro, are you serious?
Sorry?
You were
Are you serious?
serious about wallet?
क्या रख दिया क्या? रखवा दिया क्या?
I
दोस्त
didn't do
रखवा
anything.
दिया.
I didn't do anything, bro. See, it is
अच्छा
there.
पूरा wallet तो पूरा है.
Wallet तो
Yeah,
पूरा
yeah.
है.
Wallet-
हमने
okay.
इसलिए बोला.
Bro, my hands are empty, right?
Wait.
Okay.
हाँ, confirm.
और ये कर दिया तो भाई
I don't know, bro. See, I didn't touch it. Okay, let me take this wallet. Let me snap my finger. Okay. Let me see. Okay, here's nothing. It's closed, right? I'm opening it. Okay, nothing here. Nothing here. थोड़े बहुत पैसे हैं मेरे पास, ठीक है? 20 रुपए का नोट दिख रहा होगा, right?
भूलूंगा भाई वादे हम
Damn, bro, there is one card here.
भाई
Can you see a card here?
Yeah.
Even I want to see what the hell this card is. Damn, man, bro. Hold your breath, because this is nothing but your randomly chosen one. 7 of hearts.
भाई
भाई साहब भाई
How was that?
सब मिला दिया भाई सिस्टम
And bro, this is the only 7 of heart in this entire deck, bro. The fun fact.
नहीं भाई